Alright guys, TLG back with another episode for y'all today. Back out on Hiwassee. A couple days ago we were out here on Hiwassee again. Got that video out for y'all, but we're just gonna hit a couple spots. Had a little bit of time to kill. Gotta get y'all some content out, so we're gonna hit a couple spots up around the dam and see if we can't hook into some smallies, hopefully. Today we got Dawson with us again. Always got somebody new on the boat. So we got the GoPros on, gonna head up there. Wind's about 10 mile an hour, so we're gonna hopefully get in some cuts and get a little bit away from it. But we're gonna go head up here, hit this first spot. We'll see y'all there. Oh, got one. I didn't even feel it.
I bought a second ago too. You need to back this away from the bank a little bit, dude.
Alright guys, so first little dink. Nice fish. Tossed in this dinger worm on a bullet weight. I didn't know he was on it first, so little it was. Set the hook, so hit this back of this cut and we're gonna keep fishing. You want to rig up one of these, Dawson? Well, sounded like you did.
Well, I was fishing with it for like 30 minutes and then I quit and you catch something.
I think I got one. Yep. Yep. That's a good one, boys. Let's go. Get ready. Let's go. Let's go, boys. I think I had a reason to say good one that time. All right, so slow finesse fishing paid off a little bit better today. Caught it on that worm again. So we're actually going to throw this one in a live well. If we catch more like it, we'll just take them home. But we're going to do that right now. I'm going to get back to this trolling motors, push it up on the hill. We'll put it in there.
Well, back us out a little bit. Yes, sir. Oh, you got a big one.
God.
Hold that. Keep it dragged. Are you hung?
No, I'm not hung.
Okay, well, calm down. No, don't change that.
I think I might be hung.
Oh, good balls, dude.
Woo! Got him? Get him up here, get him up here, get him up here. It's a monster! Dawson's on the board now. Nice one. Go and get a release on him. Oh. I feel like getting down there. Dozer's got to get on the board now. Let Dozer try that.
How do you want to fish this one?
Yeah, I just got a feeling with this spinner. Y'all keep reeling them in. If I don't, it's my fault.
It's my fault.
You choked it. Choked it. All right, go ahead.
Throw them in there. Throw them in the live well.
There's 3 in the live well. 6 on the day, I think. Is that right? Colby and Dawson tried all of them.
3, 2, 5.
I'm still trying some reaction while they're going finesse. I just want to be throwing something different.
He hasn't caved yet. He has not caved.
Well, I'm gonna go all day without catching a fish because I hate them. So
I don't even know why I helped make this.
let's go. Me and my gang, we live to ride. We ride to live. Me and my gang.
Got him? Yep.
Drag him in, dude. Make sure my rod doesn't go. Hold on, calm down, calm down.
Oh God, Dozer, he's right here.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude. Yes, sir. That's bigger than Colby's.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Another nice spot. Hooked good too. Oh. I'm sorry, but who ties on your bait for you? Daddy does, so shut up.
I got my hook today.
Yeah, I think those are turned around. You were reeled them in. I thought you were hung.
Me too.
Ah, it's a nice fatty. Hold it up there. So Dawson's gonna throw this in the live well. Makes at least 4 good ones for today. We'll get to keep fishing.
Thanks, son.
Alright guys, so what me and Dawson been catching these fish on so far is just a bullet weight on the end of a Texas rig hook with a watermelon red, watermelon flake young worm on the end with some light line. It's basically all you need for this kind of rig, or any Texas rig, unless you're flipping or punching. There you have what we are catching them on today. It's good.
Got one.
Sir, Dozer.
Biggest one of the day. Tank, biggest fish I've ever caught, actually, in my hand. Let's go. Goodbye.
Nope, 7 for the day.
Everybody's on the board.
3, 3, and 1.
I've got the biggest fish though.
Alright, so this is probably going to be our last spot till it gets dark in about 30 minutes. Caught some good fish. We're going to troll these docks and see if we can't get some more before we leave. Get him?
Oh, I lied.
Okay, Dawson's just slaying them today. That's cool.
I ripped his mouth open.
Where?
Content, baby. I ripped the crap out of his mouth.
I broke off.
So we're gonna pack up and head back to the ramp. We're gonna let these fish go, get some releases on them, put them in, then we'll catch y'all back at the ramp. See you there. Alright guys, that's it for today. Loading the boat up. Caught some good fish. Thanks for Dawson coming out today, hooking in some good ones. Dozer's back's been killing him. He caught a couple. Caught one. I'm gonna cut that. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content.
Drop a comment if you enjoy what you're watching. Give us some suggestions for future content or whatever you want to say. It don't matter. We love feedback.
Stay tuned for more episodes coming out. We'll see you later.